Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a simple TikTok edit. First, open the TikTok app and tap the plus button at the bottom of the screen. This will start a new project. You can either record a video directly by holding the red record button, or you can upload clips from your gallery by tapping Create. Once your clips are added, look at the bottom of the screen. Here you can trim your video by sliding the edges of each clip. Use this to cut out parts you don't want. You can also reorder clips by holding and dragging them. Now tap the Sounds button at the top. Choose a song from the TikTok library or use your saved sounds. Adjust the timing of the sound to match your clips. If you want to add effects, tap Effects at the bottom. You can choose slow motion, filters, or visual effects to match the mood of your video. To add text, tap Text at the bottom. Type your message, change the font and color, and then press Done. Drag the text where you want it to appear on the screen. If you want the text to show only at certain times, tap the text and choose Set Duration. When you are happy with your edit, tap Next. Here you can add a caption, hashtags, and choose who can see your video. Finally, tap Post to share your edit. This is the easiest way to make TikTok edits directly in the app. Thanks for watching.